Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Joe back with the Menace SI Racing Project. Back with another video and another part. Today's part's going to be, I guess you could call them tire stickers. So at first I was going to use the tire paint pins, I guess you would call them, and just paint my tire, the letters that I already had on the tire. But the letters look kind of small, so I don't know if it'll look too good. And I didn't really want to get the original tire stickers where I had to glue each individual sticker on. But looking on eBay, I found something that I liked a lot better, and it comes in like a strip. So here's what it's gonna look like. And it's Goodyear, which is the brand of the tires that come with the car. And it's a strip. It's two-tone color. It's white Goodyear and then the red little Goodyear emblem sign. I matched it up against the wheels. It looks like a pretty good size for the wheels that I have. So I'm gonna be installing these, and I probably won't show you how I install them because they're pretty easy. All you do is you would clean the wheel with degreaser, so you can get all the grease off, and then you wipe it down with some acetone to get the rest of the dirt and grease off. And then they give some sandpaper, so I guess you gotta sand it down a little bit to get, I guess, even more stuff off of it. What you want to do is just get it really clean, and then it comes with a glue, some gloves, so you would just glue the whole back of this, stick it on the tire, hold on for a few minutes, and then just probably let it sit for a day. I probably wouldn't drive the car for a day after I install them. And then yeah, so after I do all that, I'll take a quick video and show you what it looks like. Hopefully it looks good, because if it doesn't really come out right, or if it doesn't look too good, or if this is too thin or too small, I probably might just order the bigger letters from the tire sticker store. But we'll see. This one, I put it against the wheel and they look pretty good, just lining it up with the wheel. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to cleaning these tires, and then glue this on, and then I'll take a short clip and show you what it looks like.